Now today let's start with chapter number 13, the Gandhian phase of freedom movement. In this chapter, we will study about Gandhian phase started in 1919 and goes till 1947. Now let's start with the chapter. Now, Mohammed Das Karamchand Gandhi. He was popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi. He was born at Porbandar in Gujarat in 1869. And his father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putli Bai. इनके मदर का नेम क्या था? पुतली बाई. And he was married at the young age to कस्तूरबा गांधी. किससे शादी हुई थी इनकी? कस्तूरबा गांधी से. And then he went to England to study and spent 22 years in South Africa. मतलब लॉ की स्टडी करने गए थे. फिर 22 years साउथ अफ्रीका में रहते हैं एज अ लॉयर एंड एक्टिविस्ट. So Indians were suffering lots of humiliation and discrimination at the hands of whites of South Africa. Gandhiji himself was humiliated on a few occasions and hence he was thrown out of first class compartment despite having valid ticket. क्योंकि उनके पास valid ticket नहीं था. Sorry, he has valid ticket, then also he was removed from the first class compartment because he was an Indian. He launched a long draw satyagraha movement in South Africa which fetched many concession to India living there. ठीक है, क्यों उनको फेंक दिया गया था बाहर निकल के? बिकॉज ही वॉज एन इंडियन. तो उनको इस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को हटाने के लिए उन्होंने क्या करा? उन्होंने सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट चलाई. कहाँ? साउथ अफ्रीका. Now Gandhiji returned to India. फिर इंडिया आते हैं 1950 में. When did Gandhi return to India? In 1915 and after a couple of years he became most important leader. वो बहुत important leader बने and led Indian National Congress. He wanted every Indian to unite, putting aside religion, gender, caste and only the country would achieve the field. भाई इन्होंने क्या कहा? अगर आप कास्ट को, रिलीजन को, क्रीड को, कलर को एक तरफ रखेंगे तो आप कंट्री आपकी क्या होगी? वो फ्रीडम अचीव कर पाएगी. Hence the majority of Indians were poor. He gave up all his comforts and luxuries and starting leading a simpler life. देखो ज़्यादातर जो इंडियंस थे वो पुअर थे. तो what did Gandhiji did? He gave up all his luxury and spent a normal life. He himself made cotton threads on chakra spinning wheel and requested to people to wear khadi or homespun clothes. कि उन्होंने लोगों से भी रिक्वेस्ट करा आप खादी पहनो या जो होम स्पन क्लोथ्स होते हैं उनको पहनो. He saddened by the shabby treatment snatched out of low caste India by the higher caste. He set an example by living with those who were called untouchables. उन्होंने क्या करा? जिनको हम untouchables कहते हैं उनके साथ रहना स्टार्ट करा. He gave them a new name, Harijans, which meant children of God. He believed that the best way to achieve freedom from the British rule was through non-violence and non-cooperation. कि हम ब्रिटिश रूल को क्या कर सकते हैं? फ्रीडम अचीव कर सकते हैं एंड कर सकते हैं खाली नॉन वायलेंस से और नॉन कॉपरेशन. फॉर हिज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू फ्रीडम मूवमेंट ही इज कॉल्ड फादर ऑफ नेशन. व्हाट वी कॉल हिम? वी कॉल हिम फादर ऑफ नेशन. And Rabindranath Tagore, he was the first person who used the word Mahatma, the great soul, for Gandhiji. Now we have Rowlatt Act. So what happened? After the First World War, the British government, instead of rewarding Indians with concession and reform, introduced some laws to curb freedom. On such laws was the Rowlatt Act, which was passed in 1990, and this law allowed the government. इसने क्या करा? गवर्नमेंट को अलाउ करा to send anyone to jail without a trial in a court. कि आप किसी को भी जेल भेज सकते हो बिना किसी ट्रायल के. If anyone protest against the various acts of the government, very strict measures should be taken. कि जो मेजर से जाएंगे वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट हो गए. Then we have जलियांवाला बाग मैसेरे. जो जनरल डायर थे, what he did, he opened a fire on the numerous people, those who were there in the Jallianwala Bagh, and many people died over their own. So General Dyer, British officer, had imposed ban on all the meetings and procession in Amritsar. But soon people went ahead with a peaceful meeting in a park named Jallianwala Bagh. और इसमें खाली एक ही एग्जिट था, मतलब एक ही जगह थी जिससे आप निकल सकते थे. One of the General Dyer ordered the policemen blocked that exit. And what they did? they started shooting the people. I have told you that thousands of people die, and afterward it was occasion of Baisakhi 13 April to protest against the cold-blooded massacre of innocent people. Indian National Congress और एक इनिशिएटिव था महात्मा गांधी का, व्हाट दे स्टार्टेड नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. और कब स्टार्ट करी गई नॉन कॉपरेशन? 1920. ठीक है. देन वी हैव नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, एक नॉन वायलेंट प्रोटेस्ट था. ठीक है. एंड it is an ultimate aim was to achieve independence by peaceful means, towing the line of non-violence, and 2000 joined the movement which soon encoded country. Students shunned British-run schools and colleges, and the lawyers, they boycotted the courts. बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जाते थे, boycotted schools, lawyers अपने courts में नहीं जाते थे, and people picket the shops selling British good and ask people to buy only स्वदेशी और इंडियन. खाली आप कौन से goods buy करो, स्वदेशी या फिर इंडियन goods. So elections and the government functions were boycotted, सब कुछ. और जो titles and honors थे, they were given by the British government were returned. जो भी titles और honors British government ने दिया था उनको वापस कर दिया गया. Right? Now Rabindranath Tagore, what he did, जो उनका नाइटहुड का टाइटल था वो भी उन्होंने रिटर्न कर दिया था ब्रिटिशर्स को. कब? 1950. Now the movement went to plan for 2 years, but it turned violent at Chauri Chaura, Uttar Pradesh, 1920. The procession of farmer was first. The farmers थे by the police, and in retaliation the police the people set the Chauri Chaura police station fire. In this you can see that 22 policemen were died. और disappointment at the violent incident, गांधी जी called off the movement. उन्होंने अपनी movement जो थी non cooperation वो वापस ले ली थी. Then some Indian courts, disappointed with the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement, they started revolutionary activities against the British government. They felt that कि जो non-violent movement है उससे हमें freedom नहीं मिलेगा. तो भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, सुखदेव, राजगुरु, बुक्तेश्वर दत्त, जतिन दास, सूर्य सेन, बिनोय बादल और दिनेश. They were some of those revolutionaries who fought against the government and they lost their life. Their bravery, heroism, sacrifice are remembered even today. आज भी इनकी जो bravery and sacrifice जिन्होंने हमारे लिए करा वो उसको आज भी हम याद करते हैं. Now then came Simon Commission. Simon Commission आती है. कब constitute होती है ये? It get constituted in 1927 और Sir John Simon headed the commission, and its objective to review what was wrong with the law and order situation in India and came up with a new reform. और एक नया reform लेके आती है. And India कब आती है commission? 1928 में. And what did the Congress did? The Congress boycotted it as there was no Indian among the 7. भाई इंडिया ने उसको क्यों बॉयकॉट करा? क्योंकि उसमें कोई भी इंडियन मेंबर नहीं था. 7 मेंबर थे, 7 में से एक भी इंडियन मेंबर नहीं था. तो what did happen? India boycotted it. People protested with the black flag and they shouted slogan that Simon go back. ठीक है? And Lala Lajpat Rai gave grievously injured in the lathi charge on the protest, and few days later he succumbed to his injury. So we can say that Lala Lajpat Rai was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. Then comes civil disobedience movement. The efforts of Simon Commission got aborted. Ultimately, the government challenged Indian National Congress. What did government did? The government challenged Indian National Congress and form a constitution which could be accepted by all the groups of India. The challenge was taken up by the nationalists who made committee headed by Motilal Nehru. A draft constitution was formed but the government rejected. ठीक है, draft constitution बना लेकिन government ने क्या करा, उनको reject कर. The Congress then decided to get complete independence from British, and at the Lahore session the Congress decided to celebrate Independence Day on 26 January 1930. And what they did, they raised its own flag. It also decided to launch a new movement under leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. जिस movement का क्या नाम है? Civil Disobedience Movement. Other prominent leaders of this movement include Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Maulana Azad, Sarojini Naidu, and the movement begins with the Dandi March in 1930. So the government had a monopoly or complete control over the manufacture of salt. Indians were not permitted to collect salt from the sea, rather they had to purchase it from the British at high prices. इन्हें ब्रिटिशर्स से खरीदना पड़ता था और वो भी हाई प्राइसेस पे. So Gandhiji decided to defy the law along with 78 of his followers. He left his Sabarmati ashram in Ahmedabad for Dandi and situated with a distance of 300 km on sea coast of Gujarat. On reaching there, what he did, he picked up a handful salt और उन्होंने क्या करा उस salt लो को break कर दिया. And then lakhs of people joined the movement. We will see peasants, landlords, students, professionals, women, and even children. They all defied laws at different levels in different parts of India, following the steps of Gandhi. Many people broke the salt law at different places. बहुत सारे लोगों ने क्या करा अलग अलग places पे salt law को तोड़ा, and the thousands of people were arrested. और ये जो movement थी, the movement continued till 1934. Then what happened? Gandhiji and other leaders, they were arrested, and the British tried to tone down the nationalist favors, introducing certain changes through the government of India in 1935. But the Indians remained unsatisfied. जो Indians थे वो satisfied नहीं थे. They now did not want any change, but only freedom. उन्हें अब कोई change नहीं चाहिए था, खाली क्या चाहिए था? Freedom चाहिए था. However, the Congress participated in the election and held in 1936 to prove that how unpopular the government was with Indians, and the Congress formed government in most of the provinces. फिर उन्होंने कहा ज़्यादातर जो provinces थे उसमें government form करी, and World War II broke out in 1936. Now what happened? World War II broke out in 1936, and again the British wanted India to help in the war efforts. The British dragged India into war without consulting Indian leaders. बिना ब्रिटिशर्स ने क्या करा? बिना इंडियन लीडर्स को कंसल्ट कर उन्हें वॉर में भेज दिया, एंड द कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट in the province resigned in protest. The British government remained adamant and was not ready to listen to Indian leaders. और वो ready ही नहीं थे कि हम Indian leaders को listen करेंगे. So Gandhiji asked the British to quit India and appeal to the people, do or die. कि इंडिया को quit करो और लोगों को क्या स्लोगन दिया? करो या मरो, डू और डाई. ये मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुई थी 1942 में और इसको क्या कहा जाता है? क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. देन वी हैव इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी. नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, पॉपुलरली नेम्ड एज नेताजी, वाज वन ऑफ द ब्रिलियंट लीडर. फ्रीडम मूवमेंट के वन ऑफ द ब्रिलियंट लीडर थे, एंड ही रिप्रेजेंटेड यंगर जनरेशन ऑफ कांग्रेस लीडर, एंड ही हैड गॉट थ्रू द प्रेस्टिजियस इंडियन सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन, बट ही डिड नॉट ज्वाइन. लेकिन उन्होंने ज्वाइन नहीं करा, एंड ही ज्वाइन इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस एंड वाज ट्वाइस इलेक्टेड सक्सेसफुल. और उन्होंने क्या करा? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस को ज्वाइन करा, एंड सक्सेसफुली ही वाज इलेक्टेड twice. Now what happened? The government arrested him and sent to jail, but due to his deteriorating health, he was released. उसकी health बहुत खराब हो रही थी, तो उनको जेल से रिलीज कर दिया गया. And he escaped to Russia via Afghanistan, and he wanted Russia to Germany and met Hitler, who helped him reach Japan. With the Japanese help, he organized Indian National Army for Azad Hind Fauj at Singapore and marched on towards the border of India via Burma, now Myanmar. This army defeated army at several places in East, but with the defeat of Japan in the World War II, the Indian National Army got decimated. और इंडियन जो आर्मी थी वो क्या हो गई? डेसिमेट हो गई. So the two most famous स्लोगन जो थे सुभाष चंद्र बोस के, I will give me blood, I will give you freedom, और दिल्ली चलो, march to Delhi. Now what happened? Freedom achieved. So after the end of World War II, the British has no option but to give India her freedom. The Labour Party came to power. ब्रिटेन में क्या हुआ? लेबर पार्टी पावर में आती है, एंड न्यू प्राइम मिनिस्टर एटली, प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे एटली. ही स्टार्टेड द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रांटिंग फ्रीडम, एंड अ न्यू वाइसराय लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन वाज सेंट टू इंडिया. कौन आए थे उस टाइम? लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन आए थे. एंड इंडिया वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान, एंड वाज डिक्लेयर्ड फ्री ऑन 14th अगस्त. और इंडिया पाकिस्तान कब फ्री हुआ था? 14 अगस्त 1947, और इंडिया कब हुआ था? 15th अगस्त 1947. एंड जवाहरलाल नेहरू बिकम द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, वाइल मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना कौन बने थे? फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल थे आपके पाकिस्तान के. व्हेन इंडिया बिकम अ रिपब्लिक इन 1950, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद कौन बने? कंट्री के प्रेसिडेंट बने. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now let's meet in next class. Thank you.